जिसमें हम लोग श्रवण किया था ये जब चैतन्य महाप्रभु रायरमन के साथ मिले के पर कबूल में ये रायरमन के साथ जो वार्तालाप अपूर्व कथा वर्णन किया गया देखो प्रसंग है विशेष रूप में वर्णन किया गया।
Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Gurudev ki Jai. So yesterday we were hearing about Katha about Rai Ramanand Disappearance Day. So Gurudev used to tell one story here.
और सनातन शिक्षा, लोक शिक्षा, राष्ट्र के जगन्नाथ देव की रथ यात्रा प्रसंग ये सब विशेष करके रायरमन संवाद ही
So there is a specialty in Rai Ramanand Samvad where we were So Rai Ramanand is replying according to the heart of desire of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that how we can enter in the Prem Rajya. So Rai Ramanand was replying accordingly. So from Varmashram Dharma to Karma Tyag, Samarpan, the surrender, all the things was showing there. Then how to give up Nirvishesh Brahmavad and we enter into the Brahma Sthiti, Brahma position, and at least it is showed that how we can get a taste in Harikatha. There is a speciality of bhakti. It is showed that. And after that, Vaidhi Bhakti and Raguna Bhakti they discussed about, and then Dasya Bhakti. From Dasya Bhakti to Shuddha Dasya, it is seeing why the Shuddha Dasya is seeing why in the Hanumanji. And there is a Sakya Bhav, Shuddha Sakya Bhav. Subal Shri Damadi, they showed there was also, Shuddha Sakya Bhav. Kirtapunna Punja. That how the friends of Krishna, the Sakya Bhav, have the Sakya Bhav towards Krishna. That where the Sakya Bhav is, seen, so he shows these things like that Ramji had a friendship with Sugriv. He had a friendship bhav, but there is so with the Sugriv, so the friendship nature of Sugriv was mixed up with Dasya also. This is called the Mishrit Dasya Bhav, Mishrit Sakya Bhav. But Shubal Sridham, he was showing there, they have pure Sakya Bhav towards Krishna. They are just going, they are carrying each other on their shoulder. They don't have the Bhagavad Buddhi towards each other. Towards Krishna. They doesn't have the Bhagavad Buddhi towards Krishna. They used to take the tasted food of each other. This is also shown in the Leelas. And the Vatsalya Bhav, there are two kinds of Vatsalya Bhav. First is Aishwarya Mishrit Vatsalya Bhav. Just like Devaki Vasudev, they just have this kinds of Vatsalya Bhav, but they have Bhagavad Gita towards Bhagwan. But still, If you see Nanda Yashoda,
कृष्ण मेरे पुत्र होने पर भी भगवान,
because they have this kinds of feeling that Krishna is my son, is still he is Bhagwan.
यहाँ पर भी बना है।
So here it is described
ये कंस के
that
वध करने के पश्चात
after killing the Kans,
कृष्ण बलराम
when Krishna Balram,
जब उग्रसेन के कारागार से मुक्त कराया,
when they freed from Ugrasen's prisons,
देवकी वसुदेव के
then Devki Vasudev, they went to Devki Vasudev.
कृष्ण बलराम देवकी वसुदेव के चरण स्पर्श करने के लिए
When they were touching the feet of Krishna Balram touching the feet of Devki Vasudev, so they denied, no.
इनके पता है कि
Because they knew that he is not ordinary person, he is Chaturloch Bhagwan Narayan.
असंगत है, किंतु
So they have Vatsalya mode, but still Mishrit, Dasya Mishrit. Oh sorry, Aishwarya Mishrit.
और देखो ये नंदगांव में क्या है?
And then Nandagaon you will see,
नंद यशोदा
Nand,
बिल्कुल
so Nanda Yashoda has with Krishna Lokik Sadbandhuvat Preeti, just like a family member.
अपने पुत्र भावना रखते हैं।
They have feeling like that he is our son. In the morning when they get up, Krishna Balram used to touch the feet of Nanda Yashoda, and young Yashoda gave the blessing to them. In this world we have seen that when a son when parents give the blessings to the sons and daughters, so it is this kinds of Vatsalya Bhava was shown in the Nandagaon, Nanda Leela. So Parikshit Maharaj himself is saying, so what kinds of great fortune of Nanda Yashoda, that Ma Yashoda herself, she did the give the breast milk to Krishna. She feed the breast milk to Krishna. So how she has a love and affection towards Krishna. It's not like just like a putra, but it's his putra, her son also. So if we are just trying to understand, so we are using this word like a son. No, it's not like a son. He is the son. Krishna was stealing, and Nanda Yashoda was teasing them. They were giving punishment. They were giving nourishment to him. So all kinds of Vatsalya symptoms were seen there. Devki Vasudev was not seen like this. They didn't do this like that punishment and the nourishment. It is not seen in his Devki Vasudev love. But in the Vrindavan, when Krishna, how they perform Leela in Nanda Lalya, how they taking the rasa of Vatsalya mode. And Rai Ramanan is further going on, and he was saying that what kind of Madhurya Prem. There are two kinds of Madhurya Prem, Swakiya and Parkiya. In the Dwarkapuri it is Swakiya Bhav, just how the relationship with husband and wife. And in the Nanda Gokul, it was Braj, Nandagaon, in the Braj. So how they have the kinds of relationship with gopis. They have this feeling of affection like Priya Priyatama, which is shown by the there is shown Parkitya Bhav. How gopis they are teasing to Krishna that you are thief, lumpet. So they were using these kinds of words. Krishna is saying himself, the many demigods, just like Brahma and Shiv, so they are doing the stuti of Krishna, but I am not happy with that. So just like Gopi is saying chor, lumpet, thief and lumpet to me, so I feel so much pleasure in myself. Rajasundari Nam in the Ras Leela. So Gopiya was so fortunate that they did the Ras Leela with Krishna. So they were having the chance to hugging and kissing to Krishna. It is not possible for Lakshmi Adi demigods on Devis. Even it is not possible for the Swarga demigods. So who are staying in the Swarga heaven, so what kind of fragrance they're coming, they have so much nice fragrance from their body. It is not, they don't have this kinds of fortune. So what to speak about others? So what to say about this materially rewards ladies, or yeah. So who can carry the weight 50 kg? So what to about 5 kg? He can easily. So if somebody is carrying 50 kg weight, so what? That is too easy to carry 5 kg for him. So in this way, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada is saying here, so which is not possible, the heavenly girls. So what to speak about the materials ladies? So you should understand like a little bit different way. So here it is saying like that. So hearing that all the things from Rai Ramanujan Mahaprabhu was very much happy. So he said, "Oh, please glorify something more about prema." So he said, then Rai Ramanujan described about Ras Leela. There are two kinds of Ras Leela, Shardiya Ras, Basantik Ras. There are two kinds of Ras, Shardiya Ras and Basantik Ras. So the Shardiya Ras, Basantik Ras. So in the brush there are many kinds of rases, so Pakshi Vipakshi, Swachitari, Munichari, and there are many kinds of Panchayati Ras, Pancharatri Ras, which is called. So in that Ras, some gopis got the fortune that they can enter in that Ras, which is, and when Rajati got man that time, so getting the man, Rajati, she saw that Krishna is saying to me, "Hey Radhe, you are one and only my Pran Priyatam." And now Krishna is treating every other gopis at the same level. So Radhaji got man that time. That's why Radhaji, she left the Ras. So what Krishna did that time? She carried Radha and disappeared from the Ras. At that time, that Bhagwan Keshav Krishna, so he disappeared from the Ras with Radhaji. This is all described there. And at the lonely place, she was doing Prem Vihar with Radhaji at the lonely place. So by that, what happened? By the Gop, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. So it is a nice descriptions there. Yes. So this kinds of example was given by the Rai Ramanand. So Rai Mahaprabhu said this is not the topmost quality of that's like called Ras Leela. I just tell you. So the love is very pious and clean. Rai Ramanand was describing there. Where is that prem? Because Krishna has disappeared with the Radhaji and they left all the gopis there. This kind of love. So this is not the topmost love. Then Rai Ramanand, he gave in the example of Basanti Ras, where Jayadev Goswami Pad in the Geet Govind, he was describing about the Vasantik Ras, that at that Ras, how Radhaji got man, so she left the Ras from before everybody. So seeing that Krishna, so Krishna gave up all the Sakhis there, and they run towards Radhaji, and she was chasing Radhaji. So how Krishna, so there were thousands of gopis, hundreds of gopis, there was only no Radhaji was there, but still, so he was controlled by the love of Radhaji. That's why he has left all the gopis, and before all the gopis he has left that Ras, that place, and so for praising her, he left that Ras. So this is why here the Radha Prem Sarotra, the topmost love is glorifying here. So hearing this pastime, hearing this glorying of Radhaji and that kind of love, Mahaprabhu was so much happy. So according to the wishes of Mahaprabhu, Radha Raman describes our Krishna Tattva, Maya Tattva, Jiva Tattva, and he told about all the Tattvas, and he described one by one everything there, especially when Radhaji, he described the topmost love of Radhaji. And then especially the topmost, or what is the solution, that how we can get that.
ত্রিভুবন মধ্যে রয়েছে ভাই বোন ভিড়, তোমার মায়ার নাটে হইতে স্থির। মোর মুখে বক্তা তুমি হও শ্রোতা, অত্যন্ত রহস্য শুনো সাধনের কথা। Mahaprabhu was proud.
So Mahaprabhu was so much happy that time. So he said Radha Prem is the Sadhya Shiromani. Sadhan Vina Sadhya, we cannot get the sadhya, our subject, our goal, without the sadhan. So he said that whatever kinds of power you will manifest in myself, in me, so you will get the same result. So you are the speaker and you are the listener, Bhakta. So you will manifest in my heart, so you will speak, only you speak in myself, in my side, and you are the speaker and you are the listener, both of you. I'm just like a puppet here. So I am just moving my hands. I am just moving my body like a puppet. Putli doesn't speak. So by the thread, it's ups and downs, the body is moving, and one person speaks in many kinds of tunes. In many kinds of tunes, one person is speaking. Have you seen the puppet dance? Have you seen this puppet dance in Bengal? Now they are speaking in Bengali, so I am unable to understand. Okay, chalo. Now we come to the katha. Chalo, katha mein aate hain. Now we come to the. Wow. সবে এক সঠিকনে ইয়া অধিকার সখী হইতে হয় লীলার বিস্তার সখী বিনা লীলার পুষ্টি নাই হয় সখী লীলার বিস্তারিয়া প্রত্যাস্তার সখী বিনা লীলার অন্য নাই গতি সখী ভাবে চিতারে করে অনুগতি রাধা কৃষ্ণ কুঞ্জ সেবা সেই সাধ্য পাইতে আর নাই তো উপায়। Radha Ramanand, in this way, he was describing that the Radha Krishna Leela is very, very confidential. So who are the Dasya and Vatsalya and Sakya Ras, they are not the
भावी सर्व
they are not the adhikari of that kind of love.
सबे सभी बने तथा अधिकार सभी होते लीला लीला का विस्तार सभी भी नहीं लीला पुष्टि नहीं है सभी लीला विस्तार या सभी आशा राधारानी की समस्त काय व अभिलाष में वर्णन करें.
So he will describe about the manifestation of Srimati Radharani, Saki, Nitya Saki, Pran Saki, Pran Priya Saki, Pran Prishta Saki. There are 5 points. There are 5 points of Saki. So and then Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tathastha, all kinds of it's shown there.
सभी के अनेक प्रकार
There are many kinds of
विभाजन
diversion of Sakis.
तो ये समझ गए सभी बिना की लीला पुष्टि नहीं है सभी लीला विस्तरिया सभी आश्चर्य है सभी लीला अन्य नहीं गति सभी भगवान जी बड़े अनुगति है राधा कृष्ण कुंज सेवा अर्थ से ही पाए सही साथ पाई का नहीं हो पाए इसमें तो बहुत कुछ वर्णन हुआ.
So this is all very much described there, and then they told that about what is the process to attain that love.
भजिवेक नहीं पाए ब्रजेंद्र नंदने आहार दृष्टांत लक्ष्मी कोरिल भजन तथापि ना पाइल ब्रजे ब्रजेंद्र नंदन.
How beautiful kathas are there. He was describing there. Rai Ramananda is very nice, very beautiful.
इसमें भजन की प्रणाली
So
तो विभाग में
what the process of bhajan pranali, the process of bhajan in the gopi bhav.
नित्य सिद्ध
So
परिकार
the Nitya Sitya Parikars,
उनकी अनुगत
so under the guidance of them
श्री की सेवा
and the service of Shriji, how we can do the service of Shriji.
सिद्ध या चिंती करे ताहारी सेवा सभी भगवान पाए राधा कृष्ण जो अधिकारी
So who are the adhikari?
भजन हम लोग
If we are hearing and reading the bhajan rasa in the morning,
कैसे साधक
so how that the sadhak gradually after removing the anarthas,
जब
when he enter into the ruchi,
इसमें आ गया
ruchi,
रुचि परिवार
asakti, when he comes into the asakti, at that time, so he get the reflection of his glimpse of their, his transcendental form.
सिद्ध देह की कुछ परिचय हो जाता
So after getting the bhav dasha, he get his little bit reflection of their siddhade, and after that, in the prem avastha, he got all his transcendental form completely. He know.
है जिसके माधुर्य रखी जी
So just suppose somebody is his madhurya ras jivas, he get the gopi bhav.
अपनी लोग शरीर का
So they got the gopi sharir, and is seen in the sadhak dasha, the stage of sadhak, that how
आत्मचिंतन आदि
after realizing on the atma chintan,
उस काव्य में सर्वश्रेष्ठ जो अत्यंत सुंदर मनोरमा गोपी है
so who are the topmost gopis in the gopis, among the gopis.
आत्मचिंतन
So this is, I'm not getting.
राधा मंदिर मनोरमा नाना अलंकार और विभूषिता है वो सब गोपी चिंतन था
This is all called gopi chintan,
और चिंतन करते करते
and while doing this chintan, this meditation, so they will get the realization, they will get this kinds of bhav, what kind of bhav they have.
गुरुदेव उसके एक भाव प्रदान करते
And Gurudev used to give a bhav of,
एकादश भाव प्राप्त होता है
so he this kind or gradually he will get the ekadash bhav. There are 11 kinds of bhav: nam, rup, guna, leela, seva, prakashtha. This is all was showing there, and then there are 5 kinds of service are there. And the 5 kinds of stages, the Shravana Dasha, Smarana Dasha, Bhav Dasha, Prem Sampatti Dasha. So these all are described very nicely one by one, step by step. So in this way, sadhak he got his in his Siddha day, and he got the sthai bhava, the stability, and then and then gradually after seeing that what happened actually, so by the skins of the snakes they left this body, and he got their transcendental form. And then what happened, where the Krishna's Prakat Leela is going on, so they got the birth in the Gopi Bomb, and then with under the guidance of Nitya Siddha Parikar and the Radha Lalita Sakhi Adis, so they must have the pradar, deep affection towards these all Krishna, until you won't get that deep love towards Krishna won't accept you. So that's why Yogmaya, what do Yogmaya do? So in the Brahman, Krishna's Leela is going on. So in that Brahman, you will get birth in the Gopi form, and you will get Gopi form, and then Nitya Siddha Gopis, just like Radha Lalita, Vishakha. So association. So they will develop the relationship with Krishna and then deep love towards Krishna. Parasparanu Sne Anubandanam. Parasparanu Sne Anubandanam. So by each other's love and affection, and then when they will paripak, ripe, then Krishna by the Yogmaya they sadhan prema Vastu Siddhi, then they get the Vastu Siddhi, and after Vastu Siddhi, then Krishna lead that souls in the transcendental Prakrik Dham, Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham. This is called Parishadavarti Gati. This is all one by one, step by step I described in our previous Acharya. So it is very easy to go to Vaikuntha, but especially in Golok Vrindavan, entering the Krishna Leela, it's really very hard. It's take too much time. It's not so easy. What after what, you have to take so many births after performing bhajan and sadhan. So then in any birth you will get this kinds of all. You will get this kinds all things. How we are performing bhajan sadhan. Ramchandra in Trita Yoga, there are all the Rishis Munis in the Dankaranya, they were staying. So how they were chanting 10,000 years that Gopal Man and sing the Ramji, and sing the Ramji. What happened? So they get the feelings of Krishna, and they were chasing to Ramchand that time. And what happened? And Ramchand, who was omnipresent, everything, who was known everything. So he said, I am one wife. I just carry one wife in this world. So I cannot accept anyone except Sita. So but I know your internal feeling. So the feeling you have inside your heart. So I will complete all these wishes. So what you have to do after my Ram Leela, I will be in Krishna Leela. So I will accept all of you, and I will fulfill your desires. Then all the rishis in the Braj, so by the mercy of Yogmaya, they got the birth in the Dwapar Yug. They got the birth by the Gopi Bomb. Yes. When Ramchand came, he came in the 24th Chaturyug, and Krishna came in 28. So 28 Chaturyug is going on this time. So according to our eyes it's too much long,
किंतु भागवत
but
उनके दृष्टि में कितना है?
but
आँख पलक
for at the Bhagavad Drishti is just like plucking your eyes. It's just like,
हमारी दृष्टि में हम जो विचार करते हैं
so what we are thinking, it's just like a second for them.
हम तो उचित हो जाएंगे।
So we are thinking that it's too much time, it's too long distance, too long gap,
किंतु भगवान
but according to Bhagwan eyes it's nothing,
भगवान की दृष्टि में ये सामान्य मान है।
it's just normal.
जैसे यहाँ पर
Here, just like in the Prithvi Lok,
और देवता लोग की समय में कितना समय है?
there's a difference between Prithvi Lok and the Swarg Lok Devtas.
देवता के एक दिन हमारे एक साल आज तो क्या होगा?
No, he said right. He said right.
यहाँ पर जो हम लोग विचार करते हैं
So now we were thinking here how much time it takes.
और ये ऐसे प्राप्त करना कितना अनंत काम है। जब से कृष्ण है तब से तो हम लोग भ्रमण कर रहे हैं।
And from when the Krishna came on an infinite years.
समय से हम
So the crore years we are, wandering again, in taking birth and birth, birth and that, repetition of birth and that.
तो बात
It is very, so getting Krishna Leelas and getting all the engaging in the pastimes of Krishna is, very fortunate things. In this way, in the same way, so after meditating on Siddhade, the transcendental form, in this way, then just like there was an example was giving on in the Srimad Bhagavatam, just like there was a insect like bite. Which one? Bichu, scorpion, tataya. There is just like a bee. It's caught. Tilchatta. Where should I get this word? Tilchatta. I don't know, na. So bees catch the tilchatta, and it was like this way. And what happened after some time? What happened? So just meditating on that tilchatta. I don't know. He doesn't speak tilchatta. Tilchatta. नहीं तिलचट्टा क्या? It's not cockroach. Tilchatta. Tilchatta. Okay, there's cockroach is not tilchatta, but we are using tilchatta. Have you heard the Puranjan and Puranjani? Puranjan is I don't know. Now he's saying different katha. B and Tilchatta. He was biting and meditating on that, but he doesn't say what was conclusion. Arey, ये story. So there is a long story of Puranjan and Puranjani. What happened? There was an example of giving Bharat Maharaj. When he was Bharat Maharaj, when he was meditating, or he has so much attachment towards deer, so at the time he was remembering the deer. So when he left this body while remembering the deer, so he got the deer body. Next one, in the same way, when we are performing bhajan sadhana in this world, so whatever we are meditating or remembering, so we will get, so under the guidance of pure devotees we are performing bhajan sadhana. So by the mercy of that, what happens? So what kind of potency we have in our heart, so it will be manifested, it will be glorified. So we cannot say that we have a potency, so it will be happen. What is the need of requiring of association of pure devotees? So somebody says that if I have a gopi potency in my heart, so one day it will be manifested. So what is the need of doing? What is the needs of performing bhajan? So you cannot say like this. So by the mercy of Mahata Santa, it's not possible. It is not can be manifested. That's why it is saying the Mahat Sangh. It is very required the association of sadhu. And then so by the this, so which is the topmost Mahat Sangh? This is the Nitya Siddha Parikar, like gopis. So by the association of Nitya Siddha Parikar, so you cannot you cannot enter in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham. So Yogmaya will stop you there. That's why in the Ras Leela it was showing. So when some gopis came after hearing the Vanshi sound of flutes, they didn't get any kinds of. There was no necessary there was nothing like stopping there. And some gopis were not unable to come. Yogmaya stopped them. Why? Because they don't have the deep, so they don't have deep affection towards Krishna. So by the without the association of Nitya Siddha Parikar and by the mercy of them, it is not possible. So there is a rules. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad is saying in Maharaj Parikshit, so hearing the sounds of flutes of some gopis came, they left out their homework and they left and then came to Ras Leela. So every gopi is saying that Krishna is only calling me. Every gopi is thinking the same. Then Krishna is calling only me. So they have so much enthusiasm that Krishna is calling me. And Tikakar is describing and the writer is describing all gopis are going together towards Krishna, but every gopi is thinking, oh, he is calling only me, because they have observed their mind and soul and body to Krishna only. So their heart was stole. How they can see other darshan, how they can see others people. This is all described very nicely. All the gopis who doesn't have anuraga passion towards Krishna, especially what is the specialty is there. So after getting the gopi body, it is not possible to get entering in the ras until the association of Nitya Siddhi gopis kripa, and you must have the deep affection towards Krishna. This is very necessary. This is all the vichar was showing there. So rok diya, so that Yogmaya stopped all the gopis there. How? Their parents, their gurujan, they stop them. So by this all was the plan of Yogmaya. So our Acharya Pad is describing there Radha and Nitya Siddha Parikar like gopis. So there was no need to stop them. So there was no stoppable. There was no hardships there in the way. They only they came from the home and they went to Rasasali. But who are the sadhan said the gopiya, but so who have affection, who has developed the affection towards Krishna, so he has manifested the Gopi Swarup in their places. So that's why they came in the Ras Leela without any restrictions. But some gopis were thinking, so all the Brajvasis, all the husbands are thinking that my gopi is with me, but the real gopi has gone by the mercy of the Yogmaya, by planning of the Yogmaya, has gone to Ras Leela. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is saying there, all the husbands and all the parents and the parijan, the family members, and thinking like that my ladies of the house has gone somewhere to another house. Sometimes we have seen that sometimes sometimes use what happens. So in the early days there was no matchstick available. So what happened? So they used to carry the fire from another's house. First they used to do, arrange the fire by the stones, rubbing the stones. So do not waste the time here. What Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying here, I'm not saying. All the Brajvasis, they think that my wife has gone to another house for taking the fire, because there was no matchstick available that time. Sometimes it happens. So the matchstick vat at the time of rainy season. Now there are many kinds of lighter and many things available. The people who are staying in the village, so they didn't have the matchstick. If they have matchstick, maybe sometimes it has been wet by the raining. So what happened? They have to make the rasoi. They have to make the preparation for the food stuff. So what happened? They used to take the fire from another house. चिमटा बोलते हैं हमारे में, चिमटा बोलते हैं हमारे यहाँ पर. So this is also I have done this too. I myself चिमटा बोलते हैं हमारे यहाँ पे, चिमटा. पात कटी. So you can understand. Just you understand little bit that they were carrying the fire from another house. Oh, so Vishwanath Chakravarti was saying, so the husband of that lady was thinking that, oh, she has gone to another house for taking fire. And maybe for meeting someone, but not for thinking that they are going to meet with Krishna. But they are whole night spending with Krishna. But so that Yog Maya has, arranged everything there. All the husbands and the family were thinking, not thinking that they have went to meet with Krishna. So there were no restrictions in the way. And who are the sadhan siddha still, who don't have the deep affection towards Krishna. Okay, and then who has the sadhan siddha gopis? So what happened? Yogmaya didn't restrict there. What Yogmaya did, they have manifested another gopis in like her, and the original gopi, the real gopi is went to the Ras Leela, and the fake gopi, their form was staying at the home. And the gopis who doesn't have the deep affection towards Krishna and who doesn't have the association of Nitya Siddha gopis nicely, for them there are many restrictions. So the Yogmaya arranged all the things that they are staying at the home. All the husbands of family members are asking them, where are you going? Are you gone mad? Where are you going in the night? You are grasta. Just like when a people gone mad, what? People gone mad when I was reading something. There is a graha. When in that graha, the timing comes, so according to astrology, that people gone mad. According to astrology, so they can let you know that according which kind of granth. With the Chandra there is another graha. So if that graha meet with that, then you will got mad. So Asharam Babu went to prison. So because here is a given example of Asharam Babu, that he was Santa, but still he went to prison. Everything depends on the mind. And Chandra is the king, Chandra is the devta of mana. And Brahaspati is there also, there are some conclusion, some relations there.
रक्षा करते
with moons and Brihaspati and moons and other graces. So at that time,
बृहस्पति जो
people gone mad.
उच्च स्थान
And Brihaspati is your guru. He is the topmost stage.
पर सब कंट्रोल करते
He can control everything.
हैं। देवता लोग
All the devtas, when they lost, when they don't have, then they neglect the guru. Brihaspati, when Brihaspati goes away from that place, then all the demons comes and caught them, just like Shukracharya got the so much power. And so in this way, it is mentioned in the scriptures. So what is my mean to say is the time is over now. So all the husbands were thinking that you are gone mad. Where are you going at the night? So at the time the gopis, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is describing in the Tika that gopi was not eating that time. They were not dressing properly. And what to say? They were not comb their hair or oiling their hairs not properly. So just like a mad people. They used to live just like a mad. Have you seen that boy who got mad? So when I saw that, my heart was melted that time. So it is writing there that he became like that person became like a mad. Sometimes they cry, sometimes they laugh, just like a mad person. Have you seen tomorrow? Sometimes they used to laugh, sometimes he used to cry. Whatever they are saying, you cannot understand. But when they get the Mahaprem Dhan, all the family members. So all that family member doesn't bother that where she is going, because why this all planning by the Yogmaya. That's why they were thinking, she got mad. Maybe some ghost has attack on him. There is a kirtan in Bangla. Have you heard that? So just suppose that ghost has caught somebody and attack on him, so they become like that. This is a Grahadosh, and maybe it is happened by the Grahadosh or ghost had attack on him. So the family members just thinking like that they have become mad, or some Devi Devta, something according to astrology happened to him. So they have got the Gopi Dehe, but they don't have the association of Nitya Gopi Sang. They have a love, but still Yogmaya stopped them, because there was no mercy of Yogmaya to them. That's why they was restricted by the people or the family members. That's why the family members stopped them at the home. But at the stopping stage, what happened? All that gopis have the deep love and affection towards Krishna, and they were remembering in the mood of separation. They were crying, and they are praying. They are praying for getting Krishna. So then Yogmaya did a little bit mercy to them. And then all these gopis then again enter into the Ras Leela. So they assemble with that gopis in Ras Leela. So some gopis. There are many kinds of explanations there. We have given up our husband and all. There are two kinds of views here. So all the Nitya Siddha gopis, they doesn't have any sons and all. So they were treating their brothers sons like their sons. So they were treating. So there are many kinds of views there. But here you should note one thing, that the Nitya Siddha Gopi doesn't have any kinds of children. So I just only want to say here one thing, that Krishna, so entering in the Ras Leela of Krishna, so you have to do a hard austerity and hard bhajan and sadhan. Pratyeka Vinay
अतएव गोविभाव परिवर्तन का
that's why
चिंतला कृष्ण विहार सिद्धने चिंत करे तहार सेवन सभी भवे पाए राधा कृष्ण विचार और गोपी अनुगत बिना विश्वज्य गणे भजिरो न पाए भजेंद्र नाम ये तो मतलब बहुत तत्व से कहां
so all are very tattva siddhant here that how
कृष्ण के साथ मिलन रास आदि मिलन ये सब है
so all the katha Ram Raman told to Mahaprabhu, and then Mahaprabhu, he was so much pleased, and so he was so much happy, but still he would like to listen more and more. So all the Prem Vihar Leela of Radha Krishna, what is the topmost bhav of Radha Ji, he would like to listen more. So there are many things are there. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol Vancha Kaltarvishya Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Gurudev. Hari Bol.